Who will not be broke after 3 months of campaign? Huh? Jubilee is basically looting the state coffers. Who is flying on military aircrafts? Who is using police choppers? And they're using GK vehicles fueled by the public funds. Us, we have to pay from our own pockets. So we have asked our people. But we need to know that 2 months ago, Jubilee did a fundraising here in town. They invited the rich supporters, and they said that within 2 hours, they raised 5 billion shillings. So sisi hatuwezi kwa wale mabwanyenye au mavipari. Tunachukua kama even Trump campaign last year was also funded through the public contribution. So what we are doing is not anything unusual. It is very, very normal indeed. And you need to know that we have just come from a very grueling 3-month campaign. So there's nothing wrong in us turning to our members and asking them to contribute. All over the world, people, members of political parties participate in funding their campaign. If you go to Britain, that's what the Labour Party and even the Conservative Party does. In the US, remember, Obama campaign, when he launched the $20 campaign, haba na haba, ujaza kibaba.